Friend of me is Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this Nubia. Firstly, just access Play Store and click on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck and install this free app from this developer, DevCheck Device and System Info. When it's ready, select Open. Thanks to this app, you can learn all the information about your Nubia's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!